Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this XREXS handheld vacuum cleaner. This is a very small but very strong 8 kPa or 8000 PA vacuum cleaner. I've already tested a lot of rechargeable vacuum cleaners and 8 kPa. That's usually something which we just see in normal full-size vacuum cleaners. So this is a lot for such a small device. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get. Here, by the way, we see the model type. It says H-109. So let's open the box, see what we get. Here seems to be a full set with everything, with different nozzles here even some cleaning tool. And here we have the vacuum itself nicely protected, and here we get the remaining stuff, a small instructions manual which describes everything. So you have a lot of picture which helps a lot. And what we get as a big surprise, I was definitely not expecting this, we get a charger. I mean, this thing is USB rechargeable. You can see it's a standard USB-C cable. USB-C, that's the thing we want to see in 2022. So very good. And also this thing here, big surprise with this standard USB charger which even supports worldwide voltage, and it's providing a whopping 2 amps output, so we can even fast charge our phone or tablets or other stuff. This is really nice. By the way, this thing here is only protection for the transportation, for the on-off button, so we can remove that here, and so we can see really nice. I think it's a really good idea. So I would say it's a medium size. It's not super small but also not super large, so we can still easily use it with one hand. It has quite some weight, but of course it's very powerful, so it cannot be super lightweight. And then we have already something which is super special here. That's this protection cup. You can see you can just put it over it and then it's absolutely protected. I mean, as we know, when we are using such vacuum cleaners, there are sometimes things which can fall out when we hold it like that, and so we want to prevent that. And if we have it like that, we can maybe store it in upright position or wherever, and nothing will leave the vacuum. That's really good. Maybe also when you have been sucking in some insects or so, this is a very important thing, and I haven't seen this a lot. Huge advantage here. So let's open this and see. So here we have the normal standard nozzle which we can already use for vacuuming, but of course it's hard plastic, so I highly recommend to use one of these nozzles. We just push them here inside. So here we have the one with this brush. That's very good to protect your furniture or whatsoever, so it doesn't leave any scratches. But of course we have also the possibility to use the included hard plastic front here if you have maybe like some smaller area which you have to clean. Unfortunately there is no wider thing, so with so much power we have, I mean, I can turn it on and show you that. You can see that really a lot of power, or even show you here, so you can definitely see there's a lot of power here. So with this amount of power, it would have been nice to have maybe also the option of a little bit wider nozzle here, but you can still do a lot, definitely. But the good thing is that we also have this extension. I mean, it's actually called the hose. I mean, it's definitely some kind of a hose. We have to be careful that this thing here, this side, goes to the inlet here and not to the front. And so you can see there's quite some flexible hose here. We can bend it around and it still works. This is pretty nice. I've never seen this in a normal small handheld vacuum. This can be huge advantage, especially if you need to reach out a little bit down or in gaps or on the ceiling, those things. So for example, if you have something along the ceiling, you need to pick something like some insects. For example, this nozzle fits perfectly for these rails here, so you can see how good this works. So in one streak, all the dust, all the dirt is gone here. So I've been using it for a couple of minutes in my bedroom. Yeah, I found a lot of areas with a lot of dust, and it worked really good. It was really comfortable to hold it, has this nice grip here, it was not too heavy to even carry it for a longer time. Maybe one thing important to know is that we do not have different strengths or different speed. We can just turn it on and then turn it off again. Here what we see with these 3 LEDs, that's the charging level. So it comes already fully charged. What we also notice that the noise level is not too high. During all the time where I've been using it now, I never had the impression that it would be too loud for my sensitive ears. So I think it has a very comfortable tone. Sometimes these vacuum cleaners have a very high pitch, very whistling sound. That's not going to happen, so I think this is also a big plus here. By the way, it has a 20 minutes runtime after charging it for about 4 hours, so I think it has a very good ratio between use time and charge time. And so now let's remove the dust cup and see what we got. So everything is nicely protected under the filter, and you can see, wow, it has been picking up a lot, as you can see, just a couple of minutes. Yeah, we have even some larger parts and definitely a lot of dust. And so it's a good thing that we have this little helper here, which we can use to remove all the dust here from the filter. Really nice. We can even remove this top mesh filter here if we want. And we can do a little bit of a deeper cleaning. And if this is not enough, we can even wash this filter. We can also wash this dust cup completely. And after everything is dry and clean, we can put everything back here. Put it again here inside and then mount it again. Yeah, very convenient, very easy to use, very easy to handle, and also it looks like it's very sturdy, solid build, comes with everything what we need. So definitely full recommendation from my side, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.